want to replace Microsoft replication completely. We won't go to other databases and don't want to use database own replication. We want it makes on ourselves. And
you use Aurelius?
Yes,
100%. Okay.
Aurelius, and I think Echo is the best way for this.
You'll be here tomorrow. We can talk about it in details. Let's see. But in theory, yes.
In your example where it's client 1 and client 2, so client 1 makes a change. If it doesn't hit the server, client 2 doesn't see it, correct?
Yeah.
All right. So the server is the controller there.
Let me see if I understand your question. This modification here, for example, is made locally in a local database. That's what you asked.
I'm asking who's the controller? The server, correct?
There is no server.
It's gotta be. How does client 2 see client 1? It can't. It's gotta be the server.
Yeah. Okay. But in the replication system, there is no concept of server. The concept of server is in the communication system, which is you have the login here and data prepared to replicate, and then you have to send data to another peer. That is made to push or pull, which is a communication between one peer and another peer. That will require a server in either sides. Okay, for example, these are two computers, right? You have a server running here. That peer will send requests to this computer to send data and receive data. Push and pull. But it could be the opposite.
Basically, the web doesn't distribute the system, that every node is the same. Yeah.
Sorry?
It works as a distributed system where every node does the same thing.
Yes.
They just are aware of each other.
Yes.
But they have to be hitting some central point. I mean, how does his phone know that my phone is changing?
You register in each database.
Great. Where do we register?
In the database.
Okay. And where's the data?
Locally. For example.
Great.
Yeah,
So let me stop you there. I have a local database here. He has a local database there. How does my local database here talk to his local database there?
Okay. You have to have a server.
Thank you.
And the no.
Clear. I just want to be clear.
If you have a direct connection to that computer via network, it's your server.
Right.
All right. So it's that you need a network connection. So of course, if you are usually in a network, this computer doesn't have access to that computer, especially in a distributed system. If it did, I could connect directly to it. All right. So you have to have a server in the sense of network communication. Since I cannot connect to that computer, I have to send it to that one, and then that one send to that one. Okay.
So I'm thinking of typical replication where there's written replication where it goes and then there's the spoke where there's a server in the center that's sending out to all the users. What model are you using?
In other words, do you have some sort of central message broker that says, like MQTT, this is what he's trying to
No. No, the idea...
You have distributed, each one is a client and a server, and you can subscribe to each other.
No, the idea here is, in each database, I said, I want this data to replicate to these nodes, which usually is a server node, okay, but this computer will replicate data to that computer there. That computer is registered to replicate data to this, and this one to that. So each...
Predefined mesh. You predefine the mesh.
I predefine locally, I predefine the...
I'm fine with that, but what I'm acting as, I'm a broker here. Hey, update this thing.
You have to be configured that you said, okay, I'm going to replicate this to 10 computers.
But each can publish and the others can subscribe to that guy, correct?
Yeah. But there is now subscriber publish. It's replication. It's the push that is the mechanism to send.
Okay, so
One record is inserted here. It's logged as I have to send that record to node A. That record.
The subscriber, the guy that you've said cares. No? Yes.
No, that computer says, I'm going to communicate with ABC. That computer says, I'm going to communicate with ABC.
Yeah, I'm going to push it. I'm going to push data to those
And
devices.
the same sends everywhere. And each one acts
so each one is a server.
But you have to keep in mind that the communication is just for sending. All right. The logging happens locally. I mean, this computer has a lot of log here with data prepared to replicate, with everything ready to replicate data to computer A. The changes. It's for computer A. Then at one point in the push, which is unattached to any other process here, I say, hey, send your whatever you have for computer A. I have this IP address here of computer A. I'm going to send data to him by pushing it, or he will have to pull from me. So that package for computer A is sent there, it's saved there, and then later it can be processed there. Okay?
I get it. So basically each client can be its own server.
Yes.
Depending on how you configure it.
Yes. That's why I said there is no server. Okay? Just in the sense of communicates. Okay? Great.